Want to understand when God allows things to happen. Never condemn yourself. Never look down upon yourself. Never reject yourself. When they speak, know the opportunity given to them. The opportunity given to them. They are the Lord's enemies. You are not the enemy of God. You are the beloved. It remains the same to you. Yesterday, today, and forever. He chose you, he did not choose you. He chose you, he did not choose you. So no matter what they say, God watches over his way to perform in your life. Not to reject, but to perform in your life. So even when they blaspheme, it's still the performance of the way. It's still the way it works. It's still the appointment of God at work. The problem is when you don't see him being the same. I love Jesus Christ. It's the Lord's enemies. You are too worried about the Lord's enemies now. That's why David would go to the level of painting naked before him. Even when they laugh and say David is dead, they are the Lord's enemies. David is not the Lord's enemy. Even when he's naked before people. Even when people have something to speak about, he's not the enemy of God. So that's why Paul would say, I bruised in my weakness. Even at the state of my weakness, even when I have a thorn in my flesh, people given the opportunity to speak against me. I'm not the enemy of God. He remains the same to me yesterday, today, and forever. So be careful what you do to me. So now be careful what you do to me. The occasion is for you to speak, not to action against me. Once to understand the God who's the same. Yesterday, today, when you go out here, know the Lord's enemies. Yeah, that comes to God was it so. Yeah, I'm gonna go understand. The occasion given to me. It's an occasion given to me. God calls them his enemies. Here's a man that killed you, Uriah. Here's a man who slept with the wife of Uriah. God says, I have pulled away your sin. We are not enemies. I still continue to walk with you. We have to understand God in a maturity level. As it is Wednesday service,